Health Report is sponsored by Staten Island University Hospital. This is the New York Living Health Report.
I'm Cheryl Wills. This is the time of year that you want to wear as few clothes as possible, but some of us are reluctant because of embarrassing stretch marks.
They're on my legs, so they're really noticeable, and I just don't like, it just bothers me.
But this is no laughing matter for 24-year-old Heather Davis. She says she's so turned off by the stretch marks on her calves that she's wearing this long skirt even though it's nearly 100 degrees outside. But she might soon feel differently thanks to a new type of laser called VersaPulse, which fades stretch marks. Dr. Bruce Katz performs the procedure in his Upper East Side office.
And what we'll do is we'll go along the line of each stretch mark with the laser beam, and we treat them with this laser light.
While several types of lasers have been used to help remove stretch marks in the past, the VersaPulse laser system stands out because it doesn't leave bruises.
It gradually treats the blood vessels in the collagen or in the skin rather than blasting them and causing purpura or bleeding into the skin.
No anesthesia is needed, and unlike most laser procedures, there's no chance of burning because the technology has a built-in cooling system.
It's called a chiller or a chill tip that cools the epidermis where the pigment cells are so you don't get the damage there.
It took about 20 minutes for Dr. Katz to treat both of Heather's calves, but it will take a couple of days before she'll notice a difference.
It's not treating the surface of the stretch mark. The light beam is being absorbed by the deeper collagen and elastic tissues.
There are virtually no side effects associated with this procedure, but there will be some redness and swelling for a couple of days after, and Heather will have to come back for a few more treatments.
You go back and retreat the same area because you need to stimulate that tissue again. And by going back a few times, we get the improvement in the stretch marks.
Even though Heather will have to go through this again, she says it's a small price to pay for her self-esteem. On the Upper East Side, Cheryl Wills, New York 1.